Sound check.
I'm a simple guy, some say I'm not so smart. I could be happy with my life if I could win your heart. I don't want fame or fortune, those things would be a bore. But still I wonder what I do with just a little more. I could while away the hours, conferring with the flowers, consulting with the rain. And my head I'd be scratching while my thoughts were busy hatching. If I only had a brain, if I only had a brain, I'd unravel any riddle for any individual in trouble or in pain, in trouble or in pain. With the thoughts I'd be thinking I could be another Lincoln if I only had a brain, if I only had a brain. Oh, I could tell you why the ocean's near the shore. I could think of things I'd never thunk before, and then I'd sit and think some more. I would not be just a nothing. My head all full of stuff in my heart all filled with pain. Then perhaps I deserve you and be even worthy of you if I only had a brain. If I only had a brain, if I had a brain. You're walking along the street, or you're at a party, or else you're alone, and then you suddenly dig. You're looking in someone's eyes, you suddenly realize that this could be the start of something big. You're lunching at 21 and watching your diet decline in the Charlotte Rose, accepting a fig. Went out of a clear sky, it's suddenly gal and guy.
And this could be the start of something big.
Something big, there's no controlling the unrolling of your fate, my friend. Who knows what's written in the magic book? But when a lover you discover at the gate, my friend, invite her in without a second look. You're up in an aeroplane or dining at Sardi's or lying at Malibu alone on the sand. You suddenly hear a bell and right away you can tell this could be the start of something grand.
The best in lover you'll discover in a frightening flash. So keep your heart awake both night and day.
Because the meeting may be fleeting as a lightning flash. You don't want to let it slip away. You're watching the sun come up or counting your money. Or else in a dim cafe you're ordering wine. And suddenly there she is. I want to be where she is. And this could be the start of something. This could be the heart of something. Got a feeling this could be the start of something grand. This could be the start.